Alright guys, I was having trouble with my 2006 Toyota Sienna, the sliding door. I figured it out. It's actually been down for about 2 years. I thought it was the handle because we would pull the handle and it would not open. But as I went inside, I forced it open and I was able to get it to slide out. And it looks like this Victoria's Secret cap was stuck right in the way. So this Victoria's Secret cap got the whole door stuck. So as long as you can get it open, look down here to the path on every single point on the top and bottom. Make sure you don't get something in between. Yep, this is what got my door jammed. Alright, hopefully this helps.